This is Carl with the three things I'm watching for Friday, May the 2nd. Starting out, we got those census corn and soybean grind numbers for the month of March after the close last night. Soybean usage record 206.5 million bushels. That was well above the 180 million bushels that we crushed in February. Corn grind for ethanol, 454 million bushels. That was up 8% from February. So, all in all, pretty good numbers there. The only number really jumped out, soy oil stocks came in a little hotter than expected. Still down on the year, but a little bit more than we had expected there. The hesitation of biodiesel plants to jump out and extend coverage due to the lack of 45Z starting to weigh on that complex a little bit. I also have the closure of some biodiesel plants that are idled out west. We're going to have to keep an eye on this. We could see them stocks start to build a little further if these plants don't come back online pretty soon. That takes us into our second topic. Lack of urgency in the market. There's just nothing really that is exciting trade to jump in either the cash or the futures right now. Crops look pretty good in the United States. South America, we're starting to get dry, but we know that. All in all, it's just not a big reason to jump in and extend coverage if you're an importer, especially with uncertain trade deals, tariffs, currency exchange rates, interest rates, you just name it. There's not a lot of incentive to forward contract or carry a large to arrive book right now. Same thing in the domestic market. We do have enough corn and soybeans move. Crushers are getting their fill, the ethanol plants. Yeah, we're seeing some basis incentives, but really no urgency. We're not seeing any buyers jump out and really extend their coverage right now. So this lack of urgency just kind of capping the market a little bit now. Not really pressuring it to the downside, but it is keeping us from posting some sizable gains at times. New crop soybean sales are starting to jump out at me a little bit, and I think these warrant watching here a little bit. The United States currently has 508,000 metric tons of new crop soybean sales on the books. A year ago at this time, we had 861,000 metric tons of soybeans sold. The year prior to that, 1.84 million metric tons. So, yeah, we've seen our soybean demand, our forward contracting drop off. And a lot of this is the bigger crops coming out of South America. Uh, you know, Users such as China cutting back on their demand a little bit. All of it snowballs, but the bottom line is we just are not seeing a lot of forward contracting on our soybeans right now. Doesn't mean we won't sell them. Traders just not interested in coming in and booking them right now. And for reference, we have zero new crop soybean sales to China right now. We also have 132,000 metric tons of old crop soybean sales left on the books of China. After that, they're pretty much done with us. We'll have to see. We have a lot of trade talks taking place. Whether or not China's willing to come back in and extend coverage, they're just going to keep buying out of South America. Those are the three things I'm watching today.